Welcome to the course Wrapup for developing OutSystems web apps. First, congratulations on completing the course. And now you may be asking yourself, what is it that I should do next? Well, you've already been to the OutSystems Learn page, and you probably know about our guided paths, which introduce a role, like the web developer role, and try to get you completely up to speed on how to become a web developer. There are many guided paths on things like mobile development, front-end development. There are things like architecture. So there are a lot of different guided paths that can help you prepare for different types of roles that you may be interested in. You've just completed the web app development course, and there are over 50 other courses on specific topics that you may be interested in, so you could search through the courses that are available there. There are also now Tech Talks available, which are short sessions that will have come from some of our conferences and meetups so that you can hear the experts talk about various topics in a different type of setting. There's obviously the classroom classes, and then there are certifications, and you can find more information about all of this in the OutSystems Learn page. Now, if you're interested in classroom training, we do have the Web Application Development Bootcamp, but you just completed the online version of that, so you may be interested in the Mobile Application Development Bootcamp. And there's a special shorter 3-day bootcamp just for those who have finished the Web Application Development Bootcamp. That way you don't go over all of the information that is actually shared between the mobile and web application development paradigms. Inside of OutSystems, things like entities and logic and a number of those types of topics are the same between both classes, so you wouldn't have to go over those again. There is also an Advanced Developer Bootcamp, and that Advanced Developer Bootcamp talks about things like designing applications, architecting applications, improving the performance, troubleshooting applications, and then all the way to maybe even using advanced features of OutSystems like the business process engine and thinking about designing and the usability of your applications as well. If you're interested in classroom boot camps that may be going on in your area, you can check the classroom training area for the upcoming dates of those classes. Now there's also the online training. If you go inside the courses, you could move on to the mobile apps. You could look at things like modeling business processes and lots of the other courses that are out there in the courses area. Now you may be interested in certification, and the fact that you just completed the web course prepares you for doing the Web Associate Developer exam. And you'll be able to pass that exam with a score of 70% or better on the exam, which is a set of multiple choice questions that will go over all of the areas that you just covered in the course. So you are now well prepared to take that exam. And if you go ahead and take that exam, you can then move from beyond the associate web developer level. You could move on to the professional web developer level. You could then take an associate mobile developer, and you don't have to finish the web to do the mobile. They're two separate things. And then there are also advanced certifications, like the Tech Lead certification, which will help you prepare and learn how to lead an OutSystems development team, and things like the OutSystems Expert, which is someone who knows all of the different areas of OutSystems and all the different types of development that can occur there. So if you're interested in more, you can go to outsystems.com/learn and certifications to get all the details about the certifications themselves and how you can prepare for them so you'll be successful when you take the exam. Now, last but not least, as you go forward in your journey and begin to learn more about OutSystems, you may end up having questions. If you want, you can use the community to go ahead and share that information or ask questions and get answers on things that you might be stuck on. So the community is a nice place to come in and look in the different forums. You may have a question that's already been answered by someone to go ahead and help someone else who had the same question that you do. So searching the forums for different types of questions and looking for answers is a great idea, and then you can participate. You may be able to help people who need answers as you already know a good amount of information about web development inside of OutSystems. There's also a number of interesting things inside of the community besides the forums. You can go to the Forge, you can tell us what new ideas you would like to go ahead and create, and then you can also view the job board and all of the information that's available inside of the community. So that's it for web application development inside of OutSystems. Congratulations on completing the course. Thank you for taking all the time and learning web development, and good luck on the certification exam as you move forward toward that experience.